Chemotherapy. Introduction. Is it always possible to determine the cause of cancer in a patient? Select yes or no. Correct. It may be impossible to specify the causes of cancer in an individual patient, but we do know what can cause cancer in some people. Cancer cells divide faster than healthy cells. Select true or false. Correct. Chemotherapy interferes with cell duplication. Since cancer cells divide more rapidly, they are the targets of the treatment. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are sensitive to chemotherapy. Select true or false. Correct. Anemia happens when red blood cells decrease significantly. Select true or false. Correct. Anemia makes the patient feel very tired and sometimes short of breath. Is it true that patients undergoing chemotherapy treatment cannot exercise? Select yes or no. Correct. Patients undergoing chemotherapy can exercise, but they should avoid contact sports such as football and soccer because they may increase the chance of bleeding. Does hair loss during chemotherapy happen only on the scalp? Select yes or no. Correct. Hair loss may affect the entire body and may be rapid. Drinking clear liquids may help decrease the symptoms of nausea and vomiting during chemotherapy. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.